Nicer weather for you today.
Yeah. Lovely morning today, although very cold. And how lovely is this? Orange juice, coffee and a breakfast sandwich. Quality ingredients, bound to be. And in the middle of your screen there is where I camped last night within them trees. What a lovely morning. Contrast to yesterday. Felindre to Abbeycwmhir today. And I've got a shop stop in Abbeycwmhir in about 2 hours. So I can top up on my supplies to Glyndwr. Llanbadarn fynydd. This is the story. I was the other side of them wind turbines a few hours ago. Walked down to Abbeycwmhir. Or what's it called? Abbeycwmhir, I can't remember now. And then back up the hill and this way. So most days of this trail is divided into 15 miles or so, just a bit more probably. And with all the ups and downs and carrying 10 kilograms on my back, I'm always tired after about 8 miles to 9 miles. The afternoon is a bit of a struggle, but that goes with the territory. It really is a fantastic walk. Oh well, more bogs to negotiate. Bendicatic! This broken tree made for a handy bench and a much needed coffee. And down in the valley is the main road from Newtown to Glyndwr. And look how the colours of them trees are different there. Sorry. Yeah.
Through the farmyard.
Yeah.
And out the gate there at the farm.
Aye.
You come to a road. And the bridle path goes across then.
Okay, thank you. And it's in that small holding in the distance over there. I had that conversation with a gentleman who was trying to help me going to Abbeycwmhir along the main road, bless him. Good intentions, I know. Doesn't get much better than this. Let's be honest about it. So blessed with the weather really as well. I've just come up from the trail to this trig point. .360 and all that. Brecon Beacon's probably over there. And probably the southern slopes of Snowdonia in the very far distance. I wouldn't know. Quirky! At long last I make it to Abbeycwmhir. Yeah.
Had a good walk.
Yes, lovely, thank you. Yeah.
A good day, isn't it?
One of the best days I've ever had. The scenery's beautiful.
Good.
Yeah. I'm having a freeze-dried meal, sea to summit. I've split it in half and I've added some couscous for my tea. And my tent is already set up, drying after this morning. Oh, Six Moons Designs trekking pole tent. Drying my socks. And these people have kindly let me camp in their garden because there's sheep by the Abbey. Yeah, I've got lucky again now. 5 o'clock. The pub opens at 8. 3 hours to kill. Lovely place. They didn't officially charge to camp, but it's a donation you make to Welsh Air Ambulance. All good. Today's walk is probably one of the best, well, it is one of the best walks I've ever done. The scenery was absolutely brilliant today. Helped with the weather, of course. Okay, 10 minutes later, I had to put a little bit more water in. I hadn't put enough water, I don't think. It's all a guessing game. Spicy. I can't remember what it is actually. It's crispy noodles, something about go outdoors. All good, all good. I find it hard to believe that I did not know that Felindre was buried here. Here is an image I found online of his grave. Boom. Shower room. And the cheeky charge of my phone. Abbeycwmhir, Cwmhir Abbey. Hanes, mynachod, heddychlon a thywysogion, grymus, a story of peaceful monks and powerful princes. The Abbey is famous as a reputed burial place of Llywelyn ap Gruffydd, the last Prince of Wales who was killed near Builth Wells in 1282 during a skirmish with English forces. Well, I thought he was in Kilmary. I thought I'd been to his grave. near Bilthwells. Eventually 8 o'clock comes around and I can go into the Happy Union pub for a few pints of ale. I felt that this was worth recording. What a clever dog.
You'd have to move that, do you?